Hello there. In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can use AI to help you generate your survey questions so you don't have to start everything from scratch, which can help you to save a lot of time, right? So you can do so by navigating to the survey sections and then go on to click on new campaign. And then under the question sections, you see this try AI survey generator. You can just click on it and then just tell AI your research goal. And for this example, I'm just going to collect user feedback as an example, whether our visitors like our latest product launch, right? And then you can just click on generate survey. And then the AI will automatically help you come up a list of questions that you can potentially ask your user to help you achieve your goal to collect feedback from our user, whether our visitors like our latest product, right? And here you go. The AI has generated a long list of questions for you to choose from, and then you can just click on it, and then you can see the AI has even helped you to choose the appropriate question type. And then the second question is a net promoter score, and then the third question is a multiple answer. And then after these questions, where you should bring your visitors to, whether it's the next questions or whether it's a thank you message. And then for question 5 is a single answer type, right? So you can add a new question here if the AI doesn't provide you with the questions that you want to ask. You can definitely add more questions here. And then if you want to keep the survey more precise and simple, you can also remove the questions here, right? So that is how easy you can launch your survey campaign to collect user feedback on your website or on anywhere on the internet using the external link survey, right? So after you have finalized your questions type, you can tailor your thank you message session as well, and then the appearance of your survey, the behavior of your survey, like whether you want to trigger the survey based on exit behavior, based on the scrolling behavior, or you want to create an external link survey and place it on the email campaign, for example, right? So you can do the targeting as well, right? So that is how you can use the AI to help you craft your survey questions, and then you can launch your survey very quickly using HowCook. And I guess that's all for this video, and I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.